Okay, so we have here a buck converter, 5 ampere. So buck converter converts DC to DC. So let's open it up. This one is already assembled, so looking at plastic, they're using plastic, so it's supposed to be ESD shield. And these are the components, so it's already soldered. And also we have some casing and screws. So we have here the input. This one is the input and this is the output. So for buck converter, input can be a fixed voltage and the output can be a different voltage, but same DC and DC. So example, this one is 12 volts. This can be like 3 volts, or the out can be 3 volts, or can be 48 volts. So it can go down and go up. So let's try to assemble this. Okay, so here is the assembled one. So we use an adapter for the input and this is the output. These are the buttons. So we have positive and negative. So we'll power with 12 volts and let's try to measure the output different voltage. We use a BOM. Then we'll power with 12 volts. Okay, so its default is 5 volts. Let's try to measure 5 volts. Okay, so it's 5 volts. 5 volts, so we can change the voltage. Let's try to fix this. We'll try to increase the voltage or adjust it. Let's try to increase. So 6 volts, also 6 volts. Let's try to increase it to 8 So you can only up to 18 volts. So I'm reading same 18 volts, 18.9.